We have a small farm here, and we raise 8 chickens. They love blackberries. We got lots of blackberries here in our farm. Chicky, chicky, chicky! Chicky, chicky! On that side, that's all berries, blackberries. Over there, and until over there.
Let's see what else I do.
Over there, that
I also get
behind
these,
that, lots of blackberries. We feed with the chickens. We feed it to them. They love it.
You guys want
Yeah.
this snail? I wonder if they'll eat the snail. Want the snail? You gotta get it from the inside, huh? That's another thing I do too.
Chicken, 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 chicken. Chick, 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 chick.
Oh, look at all these.
Oh yeah. He got one berry in there.
Look at all these.
What's that? Bugs.
Yep.
They love bugs, huh?
Yeah, these are the.
Oh, ladybugs.
No, they're not ladybugs.
What's that? Crickets?
This is the Japanese beetle.
Oh wow, Japanese beetle, huh? Where's more? Where's the... Yeah, they love this one.
They're all mating.
Yeah, they love berries. So give it to
Trying to
them.
knock them out so they.
Yep, they love it. They love berries.
They fall right into the can.
Even red, they love it. The chicky, chicky, chicky.
They do. Oop, I missed that one. But
Here you go, babies. Yay! That's the berries.
look. They know what that is. They love the bugs. They love them. Let me get some more. Let me see if I can get some more for you.